Hi, to turn on tracking autofocus on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to open your camera first, and in the photo mode, tap on 4 dots, and from here, tap settings icon. Let's just do it again. Great, now we need to scroll a bit down and find this feature tracking autofocus. But please note that this function works only on the rear camera. So to enable, just tap on the switcher and it will light up blue. And now you can select the subject you want to focus on, and even if it moves, the camera will keep the focus on the selected subject by itself. Let's try this out. This would be my object on focus. And I'm gonna place my earphones here. So I'm gonna move my camera, and as you can see, I'm pointing it at my earphones, but the plant is still in focus, not the earphones. So that is how this feature works. And this feature is most useful for shooting moving subjects so that pictures or videos remain clear. If you have trouble using it, try reloading the camera app and making sure you have the latest software version installed. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.